Ooh, sex is great. It is.
I have to say now it's an amusement, whereas before it was terribly serious and you had to get it right.
I find it much better now than I used to in my teens.
It's not exclusive to the young. It's almost like you're 73 and you're still thinking about sex. You're a pervert. The older you get has got nothing to do with your feelings.
To have an orgasm is the most amazing thing that you could ever have. I mean, I can get to about 3.
The G-spot? Didn't know that existed till later in life. What a beautiful experience that is. That is the real sex.
If I could go back in time, the one piece of advice I would give myself is enjoy myself.
I'm much less self-conscious than I used to be. I feel that I'm accepted for who I am.
I felt a bit uncomfortable because I wasn't shapely, which now, no matter how I am, I'm going to be quite happy to flaunt what I've got. Because I might not have a big bum, but I've got nice tits.
What you may think is attractive to other people is not necessarily what other people will think.
Don't worry about what you look like, don't worry about your tummy, don't worry about funny angles, just let yourself go.
And it's got a good vibration. I wouldn't last long. Like 2 seconds.